Hey, and welcome to yet another Agrello tutorial. In this short video, we are going to learn how to bulk create documents for signing using Microsoft Excel as a data source and Microsoft Word for document template creation. Using these tools in the Agrello signing platform, you can prepare hundreds of documents for signing in a matter of minutes. Imagine you need to quickly distribute and collect signatures from all of your employees to the updates of the company's code of conduct. Would you rather print out hundreds of pages and walk through your offices to collect the signatures? Or prepare one Excel file and one Word document, and let our solution take care of the rest? I think you know the answer. When should you use bulk created documents? Bulk creation is handy when you have the same document template where a few parameters change for each signer. Whether you need hundreds of customers to accept updated terms, or dozens of employees to sign off on a new employee handbook, bulk creation provides a seamless solution for any sized enterprise. These are just a few examples of how you can use bulk creation and sending of documents for signing to make your life easier. How to bulk create documents for signing in Agrello. The process is divided into 3 steps. 1. Preparation of the document template in Word and data in Excel. 2. Uploading a document template to Agrello. 3. Bulk creating the documents from the template. Let's get started with the first step, preparation of the document template and data sheet. First, the document template must be prepared in Microsoft Word as you would normally do. Then the fields that are employee specific should be marked as dynamic fields using curly brackets. Next, we prepare an Excel file with a list of all employees, and the data to be included in the document. A separate row must be created for each employee, and a column for each dynamic field. The table must contain the email of the employee to whom the invitation to sign should be sent. Now we are ready to create a template in Agrello. Log into your Agrello account, and then click on Create New button and select Template. Once you have uploaded the document template, you need to place the signature fields. Scroll to the right place in the document, and then click on the Signature Field button. Place the field into correct position and click on Save Field. After doing that, you are ready to connect the Excel file with the Agrello template to create multiple documents for signing at once. Click on the Use Template button and choose Bulk Create Documents. This will open a bulk creation wizard. Choose the Excel file with your employee records. Next, you need to select the email field for the signer. Select the correct column and click Continue. Now you need to map available data fields in the template to the columns in Excel. This example only has one data field to be mapped, employee name. Click Continue to proceed. In the final step, we define the dynamic name of each document and destination space in Agrello. The dynamic document name is composed of the template name plus one of the data columns. For example, Employee Code of Conduct, Yarmo Tuisk. Once that is done, click Submit. Depending on the number of rows in Excel, the document creation process can take from a few seconds up to a couple of minutes. So if you do not see the documents immediately, wait a bit and then refresh the space screen. All the documents are created as drafts and you can safely review them before sending them off to counterparties. Once sent, you can track the process and completion of your documents in your document space progress view. You can also send reminders to any party or signee who has not taken the required action on a document. We believe that bulk creation of documents will significantly reduce the time spent on creating repeating documents in companies so that the emphasis can be put on what really matters: better relations, higher efficiency, and work-life satisfaction. That was all for today. Thank you for watching and feel free to let us know what you think about this feature.